Imagine for just a moment if you could put real human spokespersons on virtually any web page, yours or even someone else's, and you could have them coax the viewer to take action and say exactly what you want them to say, but without having to shell out thousands of dollars for a real human spokesperson. How is that at all possible? Oh man, wait until you hear. And oh yeah, imagine if those same spokespersons are completely unique to you, even though they are real humans. You're probably saying, wait, what? Okay, I'll spill the beans. Introducing Talking Faces, video spokesperson creation software where you can actually change the facial features of the characters modeled by the real humans and have them say anything you want them to say just by typing it in. Yup, this actually works for virtually any language as well. Hi, I'm Todd Gross, and the Humatars are back and living in a brand new software application that allows you to use them on virtually any web page at all. A little background here. In early 2021, we introduced the world to these Humatars, as we call them, with our software known as Human Synthesis Studio. All you had to do was type what you wanted these Humatars to say, the real human beings, in almost any language. And you'd actually get a video with a Humatar speaking in a real voice that you got to choose. Put simply, Humatars are real humans, but they do say exactly what you want with precise mouth movements and gestures. These Humatars took the internet by storm. Now, while the original Humatars were amazing, they were meant to be used to make videos and be part of videos, not as a spokesperson that you could put on top of any web page, yours or someone else's, complete with calls to action. That's what Talking Faces does. Now you can have real humans saying anything you want in any language with perfect lip syncing technology working for you on any web page at all. But the plot does thicken because we've added even more amazing technology. The ability to change how the real humans look by merging other human faces with the original, but maintaining the same lip syncing, the same body movements and gestures. It is uncanny. Put all this together and boom, you have one of the most technologically advanced spokesperson video apps ever in Talking Faces, period. What seemed like unattainable fantasy at first, months later has turned into a reality, and it is going to blow your mind. Talking Faces Humatars can be used as overlays to welcome site visitors, for lead capture, to enable calls to action, instructional purposes, a lot of that, and much more. Limitless applications, and remember, they speak what you actually type in the text, and you even get to customize the perfect voice and the perfect face for them. Let's take Talking Faces out of the box and see just how it works. Everything you're about to see is included in the commercial option, so keep in mind you can make these spokespersons for other people or businesses, not just yourself, and you could charge a pretty penny for it.
Talking Faces is one of our newest unique products of Syntheses that will allow you to use and add the Humatars into your video and website. I will now show you the steps on how to create your Talking Faces. Let us start. The first is to log into your account with your registered email address and password. Now click Talking Faces and from the list, click on Create a Talking Face. On the left side, you can select Humatars that you want to use for your talking face. Select an Humatar from the list and then proceed to the next step to add your script. Select voice, adjust pause duration and speed. Next is to proceed to the right side settings. Here you can add your desired title for the talking face, and then you can select the style, preview and other settings such as a call to action, countdown, playback options, and position of your Humatar on the screen. Under the Choose Styles area, you can choose for a full body or a circle style Humatar. You can click to see how it will appear on the screen. In the preview area, you can select the emotions or gestures of the Humatars, whether it's confidence, acting, and waving hands. Next is the call to action. This is where the talking face can help you boost your sales, as this is intended for the marketing term to add any design to prompt an immediate response or encourage an immediate sale. This will induce your viewer, reader, or listener to perform a specific act, typically taking the form of an instruction or directive using a button. Here, you can add text to your button. You can add the link for the button, change button color, and change button text color. Next is the countdown settings. Here you can set a virtual clock that counts down from a certain date or number to indicate the end or beginning of an offer or event. You can add a countdown text, change text color, add minutes and seconds, and you can also use date. Next is the Settings tab, where you can select how Talking Faces will react when you put it in a video or in your website. You have the following options. You can select from autoplay after loading. This is a feature containing at least one embedded video or audio element wherein the video or audio element starts playing automatically without explicit user choice after some triggering events such as page load or navigating to a particular region of the web page. Play once per visit. When this option is selected, the talking face will